Hey, I'm Denis Cherevichnik, and I'm a weapons historian and a knife maker. Today I would like to show you one more my patented Ratchet-lock navaja folder knife. This one, as you can see, it's not finished yet, it's just in progress. This one, what's the difference? This one is almost the same as this one, the previous model, sub-hilt model, but without a metal bolster, just with a G10 full-size scales. And this one is equipped with the pocket clip. For many years I was making just traditional riveted knives. I have no experience with the clips, so you can see that it not fit a little bit. I was very tired. It was a Friday and I tried to make it faster and to go home from my workshop, so it's not what I wanted exactly. Never mind, next time I'll improve it. So the steel is stainless steel Austrian Bohler N690, full flat grind. It's completely assembled with a great 10.9 screws. The liners are hardened to about 55-56 Rockwell. So what could I say about this knife? It's very comfortable, by the way. You can keep it with any grip. A traditional so-called hammer grip, a pistol grip, Spanish historical pinch grip, so-called pinch grip. They used it for fighting, for dueling, and for street brawls. You can hear that it's equipped with a ratchet as well as all my latest models. The blade length is 11 centimeters long. The weight is 200 grams. So it's not so heavy, for pretty comfortable for everyday use. That's it. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you soon. Bye.